conservatory, and this I'm going to basically call the June update. And the good news, of course, is that the book is now done. We're back in the conservatory as we all started about 18 months ago with YouTube videos, and we could hear the dripping, and today's no different. It's been raining, so we've now got the dripping. However, the book's now written. It's loaded. We've gone through proofing with Amazon, we've gone through the proofreaders, we've gone through the flickers as I call them, and it's now all ready. So the only thing we have to do really is quite literally press this button, and that's it. The book's now on its way to Amazon. I kind of really zoomed into that shot where you can see me saying published book. I hope it came out okay on the video. It's not too blurred, but you know, it's Thursday, it's sent to Amazon, getting ready for Monday, which is the 10th, which is the release date. So hopefully all will be well and it'll be for sale this Monday. Well, here we are, and the good news is this is actually going to be the new recording studio at home, and as you can hear, no rain. You can hear the old car whizzing past the front, but there's absolutely no rain. So, but on the bad news is that Amazon's got back to me today basically saying that the cover at the front, there's an issue with it. It's the wrong size and that there's spelling errors in the book, which is kind of so what we're going to do now is literally do another quick spell check, make the cover bigger, resubmit it. So hopefully that won't take too long. This is Friday. We've got to get this there by Monday. It takes up to 72 hours to actually process it. So it's pretty much panic time, as the book as always has been. I mean, it's taken 11 years to write it, and you know, it just doesn't want to go away at this moment in time. Hopefully tomorrow it'll be accepted and it'll be ready for Monday. Well, here we are, it's Saturday. Amazon's been back once again just to say that they're still not happy with the format of the book. At this point I get really frustrated because they've already done proofs and things, and you know, there's no problems whatsoever with those. It's already been produced 8 times, so it's frustrating. The only thing I could do was, you know, contact them, and basically the two issues seems to be spelling, which is particularly the word success has got a missing U in it, which is intentional, but it doesn't match the actual name of the book, so they're struggling actually accepting that. And the second issue is the text on the back of the book is too close to the boundary, so you get like a little boundary line and the text is quite close, as it was on the proof, but apparently the wording case, when it chops it, it's going to chop some of the text off. So, but there could be other spelling problems in there. So we're going to have you, I think we're going to have you at the bottom in red, in big letters, Y-O-U, and then where it's got success, where there's a space where the U is, put a red U in there, and same with the back of the book. So that'll be the title and back done. And then spend another 12 hours through the night tonight, going into Sunday, to actually do an in-depth spell check. So that's the reason why it takes so long. See if it spots anything, and then resubmit it back to Amazon, which will probably be about midnight tonight on Saturday. And the big problem is, if that's submitted at that point, if I can do it that quickly, will there be enough time to get it out by Monday? I don't know, that's a huge worry. But, you know, I mean, it's bad enough is that we haven't got the actual book winners books here yet. I wanted those to go out before the book was released. Now it's going to go out at the time the book's released. And at this moment in time, can we actually get the book released at all due to, you know, issues with Amazon? And it's just frustrating that these didn't come out at proof level, but you know, head down. Right, I've got to go, it's pointless talking on here. Off I go, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Well, it's Sunday, it's 2 o'clock, it's time for another email from Amazon, and thank goodness this time they have accepted it. It's a strange feeling for me. It was an idea 31 years ago, and to write it since 2009 to now, and like I said, I'm not really a book writer, it's just sharing an idea, but boy, it feels so strange that it's been accepted. It feels strange that people can now read it. Well, we're from Wigan, we're not meant to be really successful at anything, so it's really great that it's gone out there. Feels very strange. It feels exciting because to me this is the beginning now. People can buy the book, they can actually read it. Hopefully we can get together with a few people, talk about things. The last few weeks I've been too busy trying to get it out, but I'm hoping to catch up on videos. I'm hoping to, you know, use it myself and lose a little bit more weight, become that little bit more healthier. But also we can concentrate on the YouTube videos and giving support to people now using it, rather than backling trying to promote it through YouTube and actually write it. But when you press that publish button, boy, it's a strange feeling. It's almost like you're absolutely terrified that this is going out to the public. Quite equally, it's so exciting to think is that idea is now out, can be shared with people. It'd be pretty good. So anyway, so there we go. So thank you very much for the last 18 months of support on YouTube and Facebook, and today is now the day. So, you know, it's a start for me. It's probably the end. I mean, I put this up as the June update. This is the last book update, and we're hoping to have it as project updates moving forward, which would be great. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please provide your support by liking this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, then please like and share this video with your family and friends. And as always, thank you for viewing.